Giant student, today we are going to discuss the changing role of public enterprises and measures taken by the government to reform public enterprises. First, public sector enterprises were established as a means to foster self-reliance and economic growth in India. These enterprises were confined to basic and core industries, providing public utility, creating infrastructure, distributing equitably income, and generating wealth and generating employment, said Industrial Policy Resolution 1948. The increased importance of these enterprises. There are many changes in under the public sector enterprises. The various reasons built up to this rationale are explained as follows. First, filling of gaps. Post independence, in India was the agriculture and her industrial strategy, especially in the field of heavy industry, means capital goods, was underdeveloped. The development of industrial structure required huge capital investment, which could not be catered by the private investment. Public sector enterprises was thus established to fill up the gap to develop the required infrastructure for the rapid industrializations. Next, employment. Public sector enterprises account of the two-thirds of the total employment in organized sector in India. Public enterprises also contribute toward the improving the working and living condition of workers. Next, balanced regional development. Public enterprises can attempt to bring about the balanced regional development by setting up business undertaking in backward and part of the area. These areas usually lack any infrastructure facility like water, electricity, road, which are developed when the undertaking are established. Next, optimum utilization of resources. Public enterprises are funded by the government with huge capital, and these enterprises have the capacity to utilize all resources uh, optimum, and they attempt to eliminate wastage of resources and ensure full use of installed capacity. Next, mobilization of surplus. The surplus or profit earned by the public enterprises are reinvested for expansion and diversification. Another form of surplus called public saving, also mobilized by the public sector, bank and financial institution, which are scattered and thereby helping the process of capital formation in the country. Next, self-reliance. The public enterprises have attempted to facilitate the self-reliance and less dependence on import by producing new and better products in the country. These products are exported to various countries and foreign exchange in the economic through the export. Next, social objective. The main role of public enterprises is to serve the society by ensuring equitable distribution of income, wealth, and these enterprises are meant to safeguard the interests and welfare of society by restricting the monopoly power. Then, measure taken by the government to reform public enterprises. The government has attempted to develop new approach for overcoming the shortcoming and problem of public undertaking that have led enterprises to become liable and sick unit. The first, new economic policy 1991, to reduce the government equity in non-strategy and increase the foreign investment. Second, to restructure and review the potentially viable public enterprises. Next, to shut down the sick public enterprises which could not be reviewed, and to restrain the redeploy the labor strength from the sick enterprising. Like new economic policy, there are many points like disinvestment, strengthening enterprises through the memorandum of undertaking, product restructuring and privatization of public enterprising, and rehabilitation through the BIFR, and professional management, provision of national renewable funds, and financial restructuring. Thank you.